Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Global Macro Flow with Fisayo. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin. What's up with Bitcoin? So if you could remember, over the last 2 years, there's been a lot of publicity about Bitcoin. People believe that it's going to be the future of currencies. It's going to replace currencies in the world. Especially tech enthusiasts and people in the tech or fintech sector are quite excited about Bitcoin. Talking about mining and things like that. And it got into like a huge mania in 2017 when it shot up from like $2,000 a unit to going to a high of about 19,891. That was a very meteoric rise. People who had invested in Bitcoin at the beginning when it was, few $100 made a lot of money. But what happened next? You could see that Bitcoin experienced a massive decline throughout 2018, one of the worst performing financial instruments. Even the stock market, like in the USA, performed better than it. So, what do we look? How do we analyze Bitcoin? I know there's a lot of chatter and talk about Bitcoin. I'm not going to argue with the guys in technology and Bitcoin mining and things like that about the future of Bitcoin or what is set to replace currency and things like that. I think for us, we should treat Bitcoin as any other financial any other financial asset. So it's subject to demand and supply, just like gold or silver or stocks or bonds. I think that's the best way to look at it and analyze it and see, okay, what's the next thing that's going to happen to this financial instrument. I think that's the best thing for us to do right now. So at the moment, you'll see that the price of Bitcoin is just around 3,400 level. It has over the last 2-3 days had a bit of a rise, and it's been generating a not much chatter like 2017, obviously, but it's been generating a bit of news on social media. But in context, what's actually happening? You could My little analysis just shown that look, Bitcoin is actually in a range of 3,382 to 4,368. So there's like a mini range that's been going on for, I'll say, 3-4 months from about November 2018, between $3,382 per unit price level to about 4,368. And yeah, though there's been a move in the last 3 days or so, but if you look at it in context, it's still in the range. And not much is happening in Bitcoin, to be honest. It's not moving. It's not moving, or it's not going down in context of 3 months to longer term time frame. I want to also point out the massive price level around the $6,000 level. You could see it has been a massive. I just showed a chart is there. We're looking at the chart now that is a massive price key level over there. You could see many times price bounced off it before it finally broke it in November 2018. So for me to actually say, look, Bitcoin is going back to the highs that it was in, say, 2017, that level needs to be broken. Until then, I think for now, this current move of Bitcoin in the last 3 days is just a very small move in terms of what's going on in the bigger picture. So yeah, I know some of us love Bitcoin, but I'm not sure it's time to get excited for now. We'll keep checking on, and if there's anything to update, we'll definitely update you. But it's important to see how financial instruments are moving across global financial markets, and this is what we think is going on with Bitcoin at the moment. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's the beginning of a massive move in the up direction for Bitcoin? Let me know what you think. Tweet me at Donvuz, DONVUZ, or email me at globalmacroflow@gmail.com. Globalmacroflow@gmail.com. Bye.